culture etikirie nguo cia kisasa ira ritoba gwikira nikenda bakomba kwithura beka rora boga bakwenda na rutene rwa ritona ninkauga kwina nguo imonya nande tutubati kwithura cia gwikira jaira cina tino cia kwaga ndoni na nkauga twingo twimenye na I think dress code ni mtu witara kuthoma so you can just wear urio kwenda tutirethura twina tukira wa dress code non to these things are implemented aja Kemu University. I think that university sikomba na chio kuleta nini eu na kaleta kachakacha kira ritomo noko.
Even if somebody would wish to have his or her own choice of dress, let us dress accordingly on how we can bring peace, love amongst ourselves. That can create respect among the students itself. Just take for an example, you wear something that cannot even make you step at your home. Why do you do so while you are in school? And when you are at home with your family, friends and relatives, you cannot do the same.
They will not dictate our culture to us just because we are the product of that culture. We are not aliens, and so the university management should concentrate on how they will give the best knowledge to students. I have never heard of a company which has failed to employ a graduate just because ana kudress code poa.
Pati kumenyeto pati kutha tukindressa boega. Obvious ko wo tiomba ku dress weta inyake musiari oku. Ko wo tiomba ku dress weta ke principal ku. Ko inyari twa tukidressa itu dress ora tomba kwethura tukioneka tu yari twa bongwa.
We have to encourage our ladies and even our brothers to put on well, to dress well. So that even if you look them, it is something that can even make you happy.
Bagita na mbere kwaria tongori babaru tobo wetuka kwitha skuru ekembageta na mbere kwitha kiwatila murunga moyo batina bongetia kwitha kibwithe maandamano kumye twitite no ntubaruwe kya kwithira ontubuge tutana mbere ni skuru yake kinya skuru ingende na kenyi komba kwithira kiwatila ontobo bona na kinya bokomba kwitha kite sheria yikira tuba universities orabo wete ontubo komba kwitha bokibanyelia bonene
ati ritoba ya freedom yao irabati babaterie na tore aja bato tukarungamana na Kemu University on those changes na tore aritwa changes uchendrea kwa implemented tukathithia demonstration na tukarungamana aritwa wenzetu.
Completely apply and request them. If possible, let this be stopped. If they need to do it as part of business, we have some ladies in the streets, like Konangi in Nairobi. We have some ladies even in Meru doing this business at night. Let them not do it within the institution. We have teachers who are the parents. We have some students who are also the parents. Let us assume that you are doing so and you have your child or your kid besides you. Will it please?
Abatu remwe itobatu osimenya na tukamenya gwikira no batu no choice yetu ntugoi bariuga my dress my choice lakini okay dress your choice menya kwina bo kwa affect kwina asiari go affect kwina ande go affect to dress accordingly.
So I want to tell the university management they should not concentrate on petty things, and if they want to see what we can do, let them wait until next week. We shall prove to them that our culture belongs to us and not to them.
Ikirira akora kwere kwithira nkera nina arungamiri baskuru remete nyuma ya abo kuraga kwithira bagitika thimo yekwa nkiripotera Meru TV mbetanda msimuturia wa Virenja.